Welcome back everyone. In this video we'll learn 3 useful expressions. But before we start, I'd like you to have a look at the previous one again.
Okay, rain or shine, we're gonna have school. Okay, rain or shine, we're gonna have school. Okay, rain or shine, we're gonna have school.
That sink's topped up again, never rains but it pours. That sink's topped up again, never rains but it pours. That sink's topped up again, never rains but it pours.
Let's get started with the first expression. The word weather makes up a part of this phrase, but it has nothing to do with the weather. The whole expression here is about not feeling okay or feeling exhausted. Here is the full expression, under the weather. Look at this example. John is a bit under the weather today and he's not going to work. John is a bit under the weather today and he's not going to work.
Just woke up feeling a little under the weather. Just woke up feeling a little under the weather. Just woke up feeling a little under the weather.
Now try to guess the next one. First check the meaning. This phrase consists of 2 main words. Number 1, water. Number 2, bridge. Here is the full expression, water under the bridge. Water under the bridge. The meaning here is simply about forgetting a fight or a disagreement that took place in the past and being friends again.
That's water under the bridge. That's water under the bridge. That's water under the bridge.
Now try to guess the last phrase in the same way. As you might have guessed, the word snow makes up a part of this phrase, meaning too busy, doing a lot of things such as planning, arranged meetings, and working long hours to meet the deadlines. Here is an example. Riyadh is snowed under with work today. Riyadh is snowed under with work today.
I've been snowed under with work. I've been snowed under with work. I've been snowed under with work.
Here we are, dear learners. We've come to the end of this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next time.